All right, in part 2 of this series, we're going to go over the leather tattooling machine and how it compares to traditional methods in leather tooling. Think of the leather tattooling machine as a bridge from traditional leather tooling and the techniques of tattooing. The leather tattooling machine is not meant to replace the time-honored tradition of hand tooling your leather projects. The leather tattooing machine is not going to replace your traditional tooling and stamping, but it's going to complement them. With the leather tattooing machine, you'll be able to get far greater detail than you might be able to get using traditional carving and leather tooling techniques. The leather tattooing machine is specifically designed to be able to handle the density and texture of vegetable tan leather. This tool will allow you to press into the stiff material without overworking your leather or wearing out your wrist. The leather tattooing machine is not referred to as a gun. The leather tattooing machine is designed to help you out with artwork. This machine, again, is not designed to use on human skin. This tool is designed to work specifically with the density and toughness of vegetable tan leather. Again, I cannot stress enough, do not use this tool on human skin. With the 3 different tips that this kit includes, you'll be able to achieve very thin and detailed lines, thicker and bolder lines, with the opportunity to use that tip to fill in areas, as well as a 3-point round shader that is going to give you texture and deep shading. Now let's talk about the power supply. This is a unique tool that creates enough power to do everything that you're going to need to create the most beautiful artwork you ever have. The unique thing about this power supply is that it's wireless and rechargeable, which is going to allow you to use it mobilely and take it anywhere that you would like. The leather tattooing machine uses a USB-C cord that will be included in your kit. The wireless power supply includes variable voltage, which is going to give you opportunity to be able to achieve many different techniques using the same machine. We will go over all of the voltage that you'll need for each tip and further parts of this series. Another key component to get the best results is having a scrap piece of leather the same thickness as the project you'll be working on. It's always best to practice on that scrap piece of leather before you do anything permanent on your project. When attaching the tip to your leather tattooing machine, make sure you use the tip that is appropriate for the work that you'll be doing on your project. Now let's talk about getting started with your new leather tattooing machine. Power on your leather tattooing machine and adjust the voltage depending on the tip that you're using and the thickness and density of the leather that you're using for your project. A lower voltage is going to slow down the machine. A lower voltage and slower machine is going to be better for shading, where a higher voltage and a higher speed is going to be better for lining and fill work. Now let's talk about how you're going to hold the machine. Hold the machine in a relaxed and comfortable way. The more relaxed you are, the less strain you're going to have on your wrist, and the more consistent your line work and shading is going to look. Before starting a project, be sure to get some practice in. Practicing some straight lines, circles, and curved lines with your liner is going to save you time and material cost. Practicing on scrap leather is going to get you used to the feel of the machine, the weight of it, and how the machine works and operates. This also builds muscle memory and helps you with controlling your machine and getting the best result on your projects.